segment AB has endpoints at A23, B at 8,5, and point M, 5,4 is on the segment. So we have A, B, M, and B. What is the slope of each segment? Enter your answers as ratios in the order of the slope of segment AM, the slope of segment BM, and the slope of segment AB. Use the division symbol for fractions and separate your answers by a comma. For example, if you find the slopes to be 42 divided by 53, comma, space 8, comma, space, and 42 divided by 53, then enter your answers like this. So it's listed out. So again, what is the slope? Slope is commonly referred to as M, so the slope is equal to our rise divided by our run. So the slope of segment AM slope is equal to AM's slope is equal to, okay, well, our rise, here's our A, here's our M. So how far up did I go? Well, I went up 1 unit. So that's our rise, 1 unit, and our run is our horizontal. So I went 1, 2, 3. So this is 1/3. So AM, I'm going to enter in 1/3, comma, space. The next segment is the slope of BM. The slope is again equal to, so from B to M, our slope, we went down 1, so that's a -1, divided by, to M, we went back 1, 2, 3, so that means, since we went to the left, that means a -3. Now, a negative, since right here, divided by a negative, reduces down to a positive, so 1/3. So BM is also 1/3, comma, space. This rule is kind of like the negative being multiplied by a negative is a positive number, while a negative number divided by a negative number ends up reducing down to a positive number. So it's the same rule with division. So now we want to know the segment AB slope. So our rise from point A to point B was 1, 2. So our rise is 2 divided by, and our run was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 divided by 6 does reduce down to 1/3. So again, it is 1/3. Now, if you didn't know that 2/6 reduces down, you could use a calculator, and I would type in fraction calculator. So simplify fractions. I would type in 2 divided by 6, click calculate, and it shows you right here. So this is called calculator.net. I just Googled fraction calculator, and that's what this pulled up. So if that's one, you could also just type in simplify fractions calculator, and it would pull that up as well. That's a good resource to use.